Contents of an add-on rack. They come in a separate box, but I've laid them all out so you can see them. You've got your lower leg. Of course, it's going to sit this way, right? You got your lower leg, your upper side. You have your basket for the top. You got your tray. You've got two square bars and kind of two circular bars. And then, of course, you have your tray keeper on the right and then kind of this bridge bar on the left, okay? Before, be sure you put your shoes on, or the casters, actually. They're not casters, but these shoes that screw in on the bottom. Our top and our bottom together. And the same thing, this leg is the same kind of leg as is on the 3-machine racks. They're all interchangeable. However, the upper portion of the add-on rack, you don't want any tubes on the front. Tubes always go in the back. That's where the mounting things are in the back and on the bottom. So the first thing we do, we take our square bars, and we attach them here and here. Like that. Okay, and then we'll take our round bars. Let's go ahead and grab those. And we install those. One of the round one goes here on the top. And then the other one goes on the base. And the reason why the square up front is because it needs to be square for the tray to fit around and in front of it. So we'll now put our tray in front. Go ahead and stick that tray on there. And you just simply place it down like that. And we like to put the lip, there's this lip, this curl over right here in the front. You could go the other way around, you could flip it around, it's not that big a deal, but the lip protects that bar from being all destroyed when the machine is installed and uninstalled. So we install our wire basket. This basket looks a little bit different. You actually have to kind of lift this one up, line them up in the holes. Then you drop this one back down in place. This bar is kind of the keeper bar, and that's installed so your product doesn't fall off the end. This bar, if you're only adding one add-on, is not used. So you're like, where is this? You know, where does it go? It doesn't go. If you put a second add-on, then it actually does get used. And where it gets used is when you have two add-ons side by side. This keeper bar comes off, and this bridge bar is put in place like that. Otherwise, what happens is when you have two add-ons together, there's too much of a gap here, and so this is installed to eliminate or minimize that gap so bottles don't tip over. So that's how you assemble a 3-machine rack, put an add-on rack. Note on the add-on rack is it comes with bolts that you attach through here, and of course one there and one there.